Okay, this is the next part of the project. It's the passenger boot floor. It's the rear of the wheel arch and going back to the back of the boot floor. Not a very pretty sight. See, we've used all the panels that have been screwed in and lots of expanding polystyrene again. So okay, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Well, there's the finished article. The panels have all been fitted and welded up. Outside panels been fitted. Come down the back. The panel's been fitted into the back, and that's the rear boot floor done. Put one or two patches on just to fill up holes that have been drilled, presumably for a roll bar. But that's it. All the boot is now repaired. It's got a quick coat of zinc primer on. Still needs to be all seal seamed and painted properly, and then some underseal put back on.